If you want to improve your customer retention and boost loyalty, using a CRM is one of the most effective strategies you can implement. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll walk you through how to use a CRM to improve customer retention, so you can keep your customers coming back for more. First, let's talk about the power of segmentation. A CRM allows you to segment your customer base based on a variety of factors, such as purchase history, engagement level, or demographics. This lets you target your communication and offers more effectively. For instance, if you know a customer has made a purchase recently, you can send them personalized follow-up emails or offers that reflect their interests. This makes them feel valued and understood, which can greatly improve customer retention. Next, let's talk about automating follow-ups. A CRM enables you to set up automated reminders or emails to stay in touch with customers at the right time, whether it's sending a thank you note after a purchase, reminding them about a service, or checking in to ask if they need help. Automating these touchpoints ensures no customer slips through the cracks. You're able to stay top of mind and show your customers that you're committed to their satisfaction. Another powerful feature is tracking customer interactions. With a CRM, you can keep a detailed record of every touchpoint you have with a customer. This includes emails, calls, chats, and even social media interactions. By tracking this information, you can tailor your conversations to each individual's needs, ensuring you're always offering relevant support or products that will keep them engaged. It's the key to building a stronger, more personal relationship with your customers. Now, let's talk about gathering feedback. A CRM system allows you to easily collect and manage feedback from your customers. Whether it's through surveys, ratings, or direct comments, this feedback can be crucial in improving your products or services. You can use this information to make adjustments that better meet your customers' needs, which in turn increases their likelihood of staying loyal. Finally, don't forget about loyalty programs. A CRM can help you manage and track customer loyalty programs efficiently. Offering rewards, discounts, or exclusive access to loyal customers will not only incentivize them to return, but also show them that their business is appreciated. It's a win-win. So, how can you get started? If you're ready to follow along, I recommend checking out the software we'll be using in this video. It's a CRM that offers everything I've mentioned here, and the best part? You can get an exclusive free trial through the link in the description below. This free trial is only available to my viewers, so make sure to grab it while you can. Now let's wrap this up with the key takeaway. The most important thing when using a CRM to improve customer retention is staying engaged and personal with your customers. Segmentation, follow-ups, tracking interactions, gathering feedback, and using loyalty programs are all essential to keep customers loyal and happy. To quickly recap, here's what we've covered. 1. Segment your customers for personalized communication. 2. Automate follow-ups to stay top of mind. 3. Track customer interactions to build stronger relationships. 4. Gather feedback to improve your services. 5. Use loyalty programs to incentivize repeat business. And remember, if you want to try the CRM software we're using in this tutorial, be sure to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.